Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to apply the laws of exponents to solve simple examples. Let's say we have an example of this type and we want to simplify this particular expression. Negative 5 x to the power of negative 3, this whole thing is raised to the power of 2. So in this situation, we're going to apply the laws of exponents and then be able to simplify them. Let us break it down into these simple steps to be able to arrive at the answer in a logical manner. As we can see, there are several terms inside the parentheses. So as long as we have several terms inside the parentheses and that is raised to a power, every one of the terms will be raised to that power. For example, if we have a, b, c raised to the power of n, every one of the terms inside the parentheses will be raised to that power, a to the power of n, b to the power of n, and c to the power of n. We will use that rule here to be able to simplify this particular problem. So we have negative sign raised to the power of 2, 5 raised to the power of 2, x to the power of 3, this whole thing is raised to the power of 2. We also know one of the laws of exponents which says that if we have an exponent that way and if we raise it to another exponent, we write the base terms and multiply the power terms like that, a to the power of m times n, and we are going to use that in here as well. Negative 2, negative sign raised to the power of 2, or means negative 1 raised to the power of 2 means the same thing. So negative 1 times negative 1 will be positive 1. So 1 negative raised to the power of 2 will be 1. 5 raised to the power of 2 will be 5 times 5, which will be 25. So that is times 25. And then here we are going to use the power rule, x to the power of negative 3 times 2. Therefore, we can write this one as, call this as step 2, and we'll call this one as step 3. In step 3, 1 times 25 is 25, and then we have x to the power of negative 6. Since we want to express our answer as a positive exponent, we can write this one as follows: 25 divided by x to the power of positive 6. And that is how we want to be able to apply the laws of exponents and be able to simplify these types of problems. In my next presentation, we shall look at some more examples as to how to apply the laws of exponents to be able to simplify problems.